Hi friends, now in this video we're going to understand there are two functions. One is the not function and another one is that if error function. And the not function is used to print a negative. So it's a very simple. If it is true, it is going to print as a false. If it is false, it is going to print as a true. So in any cases, if you want to get a negative report, negative status, then simply use the formula called as not equals to n voting not open bracket. See what is this? It changes false to true and true to false. Very simple. Equals to not open bracket, select the cell address and a close bracket, then press enter. So the true has been converted into false. Again simply drag it down, the false has been converted into true. So next we'll just look into the if error function, and this function help you to show if there is any error in the text or in the formula or in the number. So very simple. So here I'm going to write equals to if error equals to f error. See what is going to see returns value if error, if expression is an error and the value of the expression itself, otherwise it is going to print our respective value. So equals to if error open bracket. So I would like to see Microsoft Excel. If this value is error, this is the value, comma, if the value is error, then I would like to get a result as skip, or if the value is correct, then I would like to paste as it is. So simply just close it and press enter, and here it is pasted as it is because it is correct. Simply drag it down, and here there is a formula which is here the formula is wrong, so this is wrong actually. So if it is correct, it is going to copy paste as it is. If it is error, it is going to show a message as a skip. Here it's going to show as error, then it's going to show as a skip. If it is correct, it is going to copy paste and as it is. So how simple it is. Thank you.